Here's how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Now, if you're on an iPhone, Android, or computer, just open up the Instagram app. Now, there are two different ways to be able to do this. The first way is to hop into your messages and you can turn off read receipts for one individual conversation, or I'll also show you how to do it across the board across all of your messages. So let's say you wanted to do it for one person. You can tap on the conversation and then tap at the very top. And then let's get to privacy and safety. Here you can see read receipts is turned on. All I need to do is toggle it off, and now it will be turned off for that one individual conversation. But it won't be turned off across all of your conversations. You can easily turn that off just by heading into your settings instead of your messages. So let's head back here, back again, back again. Now, instead of that, we're going to get into your settings. So tap on the profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now, within here, you can globally control whether you send or don't send those read receipts across all of your messages, including group chats. All you need to do from here is go to message and story replies and then send read receipts. You can see read receipts here. Others can see when you've read their message. If you wanted to, you can always toggle that off, or you can turn it back on if you wanted everybody to see when you read those messages.